Must-have canned survival foods for natural disasters. When disaster strikes, whether it's a flood, earthquake, or hurricane, access to fresh food can disappear instantly. Having the right canned foods on hand ensures you and your family stay nourished during emergencies. These shelf-stable essentials are easy to store, require no refrigeration, and last for years. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the must-have canned survival foods for natural disasters to keep in your emergency kit. 1. Canned meats and fish. Tuna, chicken, salmon, and sardines provide critical protein and fats. Choose options packed in oil for extra calories, especially useful in high-stress situations. 2. Canned beans, black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber. They're filling, versatile, and ideal for both meals and snacks. 3. Canned vegetables. Stock up on corn, green beans, carrots, and spinach. These provide essential vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens are especially important for iron and calcium. 4. Canned fruits and juice. Pineapples, peaches, and pears packed in juice, not syrup, offer natural sugars, hydration, and vitamin C, crucial for energy and immune support. 5. Ready-to-eat meals. Canned stews, pasta, chili, and soups are complete meals requiring no cooking. These are perfect when utilities are down and time is limited. 6. Canned dairy alternatives. Evaporated milk, condensed milk, and canned coconut milk provide fats, calcium, and versatility for cooking or drinking. 7. Canned broths and soups. Chicken or vegetable broth hydrates and helps with digestion. Great for those who are ill or need light food options. Always keep a manual can opener with your supplies. Rotate your stock regularly to maintain freshness. Having the must-have canned survival foods for natural disasters on hand isn't just smart, it's essential for long-term readiness. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well-fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.